All right, boys and girls, I hope you've already read this through by yourself first. Now we're going to listen as I read the story. You can read along with me if you'd like. I know in this story we're going to find lots of sight words. Let's see if you can find the sight words with me. Hog in a hat. That's the title. Now we read. Hog can sit. He can sit in a big top hat. Dog can sit. She can sit in a big red hat. Cat can sit. He can sit in a big tan hat. Hen ran by. She ran away in a red hat. Fox can hop. He can hop in a big hat. Pig must nap now. She can nap in a red hat. Nice job reading. Hopefully you were able to read with me. If not, you should start the video again and try to read it with me.